welcome to 5 minute solution how to transfer contact iPhone to your Android device. So go to your mobile contact option, then select contact, top right corner press on list. Now press on all contact, press on hold, press on export. Now you can customize it, press on done. Now you can send it WhatsApp, but I want to send it as mail, press on mail. Now type your mail address, press on send. Now go back to my Android phone, open the mail section. If I go to my contact, you see I don't have any contact. Go to the mail, go to your email, then you see my mail is raised. Now press this icon. Now press on contact, select just once. Now only first actual contact show, so you can down, so don't worry about it. Press on import, press on phone, import. Now go back to my gallery, see all of my contact is here. So that's it. So don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.